Hello everyone, if you are a heavy Redditor, then this video is for you. We all save many useful Reddit posts to revisit and learn from, only to completely forget about them and never look at them again. To solve that, I have a solution that not only helps you rediscover your saved Reddit posts, but also helps you actually use and learn from them. Install Readdit later from the Chrome Web Store, a Chrome extension that helps you not only organize and rediscover your saved Reddit posts, but also actually learn from and consume them. As I said, you can learn from your saved Reddit posts. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a collection from your own Reddit saves in seconds, based on what you've saved. Step 1. Click Put Posts to Work in the Chrome extension sidebar, and I'm going to create a collection of all the sales-related posts I've saved. Step 2. The AI chat agent does the magic for you. Ta-da! Here's the collection the AI chat agent created for us, containing all the sales-related posts I've saved. Thanks for watching.